Yay, I opened my own salon. Come on in, don't be shy. Pick your hairstyle. Ooh, who is it?
Is this Lali's salon?
Yes, that's me. Yay, my first clients. Huntrix. Let's go inside.
Yay!
Welcome to my salon. So, what do you think?
There's so much here, so much makeup. This is awesome.
Take a seat in the chair. So, who are we transforming into?
Oh, I'm not even sure.
Same as always. Okay, let's pick. Where's my phone? Rory? No. Kissy? Maybe later. Oh, Lily! That's trending right now. How about this?
Oh, I love Lily. I want it.
Great, here's our reference. Where's my apron?
I'm right here. Here you go.
I knew you had it. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's begin with the hair. A gorgeous braid. We need to trim it.
Snip. Let's undo the braid.
Now we need to wash it. Into the sink. Setting warm water. We need lots of foam. Lather it well, then rinse it out.
Oh, that feels so nice.
Done. Back to the mirror. Let's do the makeup. While the hair dries, we'll handle that. Close your eyes, sweetie. A little sparkle here. Final touch. What do you think?
Wow, I look just like Lily.
We just need lipstick. Pout your lips. There, perfect. LaLiLu, what's next?
Bestie, now we need to style her hair.
All right, let's do this. I'll brush it now. Ugh, so thick. That's a lot of hair. My hands are tired.
Oh, poor thing. Let me take over. You need a break. Sit down. Here, take your phone. Rest a bit.
Oh, I can look for new ideas.
Where will we? I'll gather the hair into a ponytail. Secure the wire, fix it in place, and weave the halves into 2 braids. Add elastics to the ends. Now they hold their shape perfectly. Turn around. I'll form buns along the length.
I checked out how to style the bangs carefully with a flat iron. Like this. Pulling them. There we go. Beautiful. Take a look.
Wow, that's so cool.
LaLiLu, how do you like the hairstyle?
Lali, you're a true pro. Let me take a picture. Awesome. Gorgeous transformation.
Will you send me the pics later?
Me too.
Lali, are you coming? I'm on my way. My next client is waiting. Oh, my Rory, you're so cute. Lali, I'm here. I want a stylish look too. Come on in, take a seat. So, sweetheart, what do you want? I want a total change. Who's that? That's Rory. Don't you think he's super stylish? That's an idea. Where are my tools? Let's go. I'm ready. Total change means total change. First, the color. Okay, where's the blue? Oh, I'm getting a call. Huh? Yeah, hi. What's up? How are you? I just opened a salon. Yeah? Bye, I've got a lot to do. Oh, that's not blue. Oops, I messed up. That's the wrong color. Lali, is everything okay? Oh no, what do I do?
Psst, here, take this.
Thanks. Shoo. I'll try to fix it. Psh. Yay, it worked!
Yay!
Now the haircut. First, brush it. Now trim. Everything will be just right. Done? Nope, just a bit more. A couple minutes.
Lali, how long do I have to wait?
Oh no, LaLiLu!
What's wrong?
Can you help? Finish the hair while I run to Mira.
Okay, go.
Thank you.
Come on, Lali.
I'm here. Let's pick your outfit first. What would you like? Look.
Oh, that's been done. Oh, that too. Pink, that's cool.
I've got something for a Kissy Missy look. Try it on.
Finally, let's do it.
Your fitting room. Come out when you're ready. I'll be right back. I'm so tired of running. So, how's it going, bestie?
Take a look, it's almost done.
Let's see. Something's missing. Hold the reference. A little like this. This strand needs a lift. Much better. I love it! Oh, I got an idea. Lolly magic. Time for makeup. Relax, you're in professional hands. Gorgeous, just look. Wow, I'm so pretty. love it! Rory and I look the same now, almost twins. Yay! He's my hero. High five, bestie. Yes!
Lali, what is this?
You don't like the kicker, Rumi? Relax, I'll fix everything.
I look like a Yeti. Hey, why are you laughing?
It's actually kind of cute.
I'm not wearing this. Lali, do something.
Oh, I've got it. Let's trim your fluff a little.
What?
Ta-da! And the final touch. Mira, give it a spin.
Like this? Wow, Lali, you're amazing.
Now pick your shoes.
These aren't trendy. Don't like white. Ooh, these are fire. I want them.
Something's missing. Let's compare. Right, pink fur. That'll look better. Wow, so fluffy. And now, Lali magic. Let's get to work.
With love. All right, let's color the hands yellow. Carefully. Done.
Hey! Wow, this is amazing. LaLiLu, high five.
Let's go. Huh?
You had no choice.
You prankster.
Final touch, a bow. Oh, Lily's calling. Yeah, sweetie, I'm coming.
Lali can do anything.
Hello, Lali. Where are you?
Knock, knock, I'm here. Hello. Miss me, bestie?
I want an outfit like Lily's.
An outfit? Well, you're in luck. My salon is also a workshop. Let's peek into my magic closet.
Oh, so many fabrics here.
Wow, there's so much stuff.
Good day, ladies. It's a mouse! That's Remy, my assistant. All right, let's unpack our treasures. We'll need this. And this.
Great. I lay out the fabric and fold it. 1, 2, and 3. I trim the edge in a zigzag. Aha!
So, how's it going?
We need to cut this tip.
Can I try?
Of course.
Hey, little helper, give me a hand. I've got this covered. Done!
Teamwork. Let's see. It turned into a skirt. I made 2 pieces like this. What's next?
We need to sew them together.
I stitch and gather it. Done. Rumi, this is for you.
Fitting time. I think it's gonna look amazing. Let's see. Wow, you look great.
Thanks.
I feel like something's missing.
Ooh. A top piece.
Oh, perfect.
Will there be something like shoes? My feet are cold.
Oh, I totally forgot. Here are the boots. Let's put them on.
Oh, look. We just need to decorate with stars.
Dazzling.
Pop. Voila. The look is ready.
Hi there. Cool dress.
Oh, that hairstyle suits you.
I wish I had a new look too. Let's go. We'll fix that right now. Let's take your measurements. And your height. Done. Now let's sketch it out. All right, that's it. Time to create. Carefully tracing. LaLiLu, pass me the scissors.
Here you go.
Cutting. Snip, snip. I brought needles and thread. Thanks, assistant. Now time to work hard. Swish, swish, swish. Done! Zoey, try it on. All right, the top fits perfectly. What's next? Oh, there's still so much to do. I'm so tired. I'll scroll my phone. Just 5 minutes. That's funny. Oh, can I join? Only if LaLiLu helps us.
Of course, you little trickster. Fine, let's get started. I'll need denim fabric. Cut out the patterns. My sewing machine. I haven't used it in a while. Oh well.
Hey, why was I sewing by hand?
The shorts are ready. So cute. Let's add a belt.
And I already ordered shoes.
What? Where did you get them?
You can order anything online.
Let's try on the new sneakers.
Final touch, the crown. Pow! Wow, so cool. I love it. Phew, I'm out of energy. I need to sit down. All right, I feel better now. Mira, time for your hair. Great, she fell asleep. Mira, wake up! Pink isn't trendy! Come on! Oh, I know how to wake her. Oh, this is heavy. LaLiLu, help! All right, I'll sing now. Okay. Well, pink. Okay, volume to the max.
What? Out of style.
Finally. Oh, wow, your hair is a mess. First, we brush it like this. All right, take a look.
What is that? Lali!
She didn't like it. I'll never get popular. Oh no, I'll have to close my salon.
Don't be sad, bestie. It's too early to give up. You'll make it.
Pop, thanks for the support. Wow, I'm full of energy again. Okay, where are my ideas? Done that. That too. Not it. Oh, a trimmer. That's perfect. But first, let's remove the extra. La la la. Done. All set.
It feels cold. What's next?
LaLiLu, I need light clay, fast.
Here you go.
Thanks. Right here. Bam. Your magic hands will help here.
Let's do it together, bestie. Shaping separate strands with a tool.
Yeah.
Now with scissors.
Wow, you're a genius. Let me try too.
Can I see it now?
LaLiLu, my palette, quick.
Here.
Makeup, just a sec. Voila, done.
Wow, I can feel so much makeup. Thank you, it looks amazing.
Oh, what's that noise? Kissy Missy, it's your time to shine. Oh, look, she's here.
Please welcome the incredible Kissy Missy. Hi there. What a look. I feel absolutely amazing.
Come on, gorgeous, now it's your turn.
Presenting the amazing Rumi as a Lily.
Hello, so happy to see you all. Now I'm a real star.
What a show. Lali, we have a problem. What is it? You forgot my cape. Oh, that can't be. Idea. Here's your fabulous cape. Done. Go to the runway.
And here's the stunning Zoey as Rory. She looks like a real superhero. The audience wants to know who created these amazing looks. It was all her. And here comes the star of the day, Lali.
I'm finally famous. Yay!
Tell us, what are your plans next?
You'll find out in the next video. Bye-bye, my Lalics. See you soon.